A United Nations official expresses concern for civilians living in the Syrian city of Idlib. Russian-supported Syrian troops are expected to launch an attack against opposition forces in the area. British Prime Minister Theresa May visits Kenya as Britain seeks to increase economic ties before it leaves the European Union. In Myanmar, crews are trying to repair a damaged bridge after a dam overflowed. Rescuers are working to reach thousands of people affected. And in Mexico, hundreds of people took part in the making of a 70-meter-long sandwich.